How to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can delete all of the reposts in your TikTok account at once. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your TikTok app and get logged into your TikTok account. In order to delete all of your reposts, here is what you can do. Tap on the three bar icon on your top right and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll at the bottom of the page and under Support and About, tap on Report a Problem. At this page, search for videos and sound. As you do so, you will see various related articles. Simply tap on any one of them. And under Is Your Problem Resolved, tap on To Know and tap on Need More Help. And under Tell Us Your Feedback, you can simply type in that you would like to delete all of your reposts at once, and if you have any screenshots that you would like to attach, you can do that by tapping on this gallery section. Once you do so, tap on to submit. This is how you can fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.